Now we are going to learn about word order in Hindi. So in Hindi, word order is first is your subject, then your object, and at the end it is verb. So if your subject is मैं, object is or खुश हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, I am happy. Subject, object and verb. मैं खुश हूँ, I am happy. So मैं is I, खुश is happy, and your verb is am. Sometimes if you have time related phrases like today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can put it first. So like आज मैं खुश हूँ. Okay. If you want to make it negative sentence, you can write हम टेनिस नहीं खेलते. हम टेनिस नहीं खेलते. So नहीं meaning no and खेलते is your verb and you don't need who or है or anything like to be verb. So हम टेनिस नहीं खेलते. But if you put खेलते हैं, it's not incorrect. You can still use it, but it's very much optional. आज मैं खुश हूँ, हम टेनिस नहीं खेलते. आज गर्मी है. Today is hot. So that is how you make word order in Hindi.